Okay, this video is just to remind you how you're going to properly place the solution on the brows, both step 1 and step 2. What we did is find a product that is different colors so that you can clearly see where the solution is going. Because for the main video, we used white, so it turns transparent right away, so you don't see exactly the right positioning of the solution. This time also we're using a Y brush because some products or some lash or brow lift kit already includes a Y brush that you can help with your lamination. So the Y brush has two sides. As you can see, the artist is using both sides. She uses the flat side to apply the solutions and the other side that has like comb type to actually brush the hair upwards. Just remember that the comb side of the Y brush is kind of sharp, so when you use it to comb the hair of the person, make sure you are not pointing so much on the skin. We just want to comb the hair and not scratch the skin. As you see, when she applies the product and brushes or combs the eyebrow hair upward, some products are left not in the position that you want it to be. So she gets her micro brush to get the products that are on the skin and reapplies it to the hair. Okay, as you see now, she is brushing the solution at the ends of the hair because we don't want too much product at the ends of the hair because the ends of the eyebrow hair might be sensitive or already thin and we might burn it. So to avoid that from happening, we take the product from that area and return it to the base up to the middle of the brow area. Okay, I repeat that. The solutions should be properly placed at the base up to about 50% of the brow area and not at the tips or the ends of the hair to prevent burning of that area, or sometimes it results to kinky hair at the ends, and that's how we prevent that from happening by getting the solutions that are stuck there at the ends and putting it right back to where it should be, base and middle of the hair. There you go. I hope that is very clear because this is a very important tip that you artists or beauty therapists should know. And then just like what we've shown you in the first video for step 1 and step 2, we need to wrap it in cling or saran wrap to keep our hair in place and to cure where we want to. So as you see, when you apply the cling wrap, the hair becomes kind of wavy or moves out of place. So you can also use your Y brush to brush it, or better yet, just brush the ends so that the products will not lift one more time. But if it's very messy also under, you have no choice but to comb it all again. And you just have to get the products that are stuck on top again. There, just get those products from the ends and reapply it at the bottom. So there you go. That's our tip for you for the most perfect brow lamination procedure.